Hey guys, what's up? This is Jeff once again, also known as Crypto Nomad, and we are now on another edition of Crypto News. So this is Crypto News number 2, okay? And as you can see right now, Bitcoin was slightly increasing, from 5,800 to 6.4, but now down to 6.3 once again. But it's okay. So this could be very interesting, guys. The market right now, despite that it's unpredictable, it's interesting for us to see whether it will go down again back to less than $6,000, or this could be the indicator that Bitcoin could start a bull run, along with Ethereum and the other tokens right here, okay? And of course, what I want to discuss is, the issues that we have in the Ethereum network. So as you can see right here at the gas station, okay, let's try to refresh this one first. Okay, so the steady cost was around 29 cents. Safe flow is around 1 cent. All right, as you can see right here, the G-Way is high. It's very high right now, so it's too expensive for us now to send transactions as of today. But it's interesting in the last few days, from Friday until today. From Friday, the G-Way continued to increase, up to 100 G-Way in the fast level, okay? And the others as well, the safe flow was around 70 or to 80, and the standard was around 85 to 90. And then there was an event where all of them goes back to 0. Okay, so I remember that the safe flow was around 0.1 or 0.01. I just don't know, but the standard and the fast are 0. I told my friends that, wow, well, is it possible that Ethereum is now free? The gas fees are now free, or are they just fooling us like the April Fool's Day? But the thing is, I was very cautious of that because one of my friends told me that, hey, why don't you try to send? But yeah, I said I could, but I could be more cautious because it's I'm scared. I'm scared to to send because of the gas price was 0. So maybe it's either in my own thoughts, maybe it's either my Ethereum or the other tokens I've sent, they will be gone forever, or they will be compromised. It's better for us to be safe right now. So I have to wait until the Ethereum clogging, is over and it goes back to normal again. As we may know, we cannot control the clogging. Okay, we cannot control it. Not even the banks, not even the government, not even people like me. You cannot control the clogging of the Ethereum network. And this is the problems that we are facing right now, especially those who are trying to especially those ICOs, they are trying to distribute their tokens to their holders, and also to their those who have participated in the airdrop and the bounty. But the thing is, with this expensive gas price right here, for me, I think it's we need to take a break first, and we should wait. We have no choice but to wait until this one goes back to normal. Like hopefully it would be 3 or up to 6 or something like that, or maybe up to 8. And you can see right here, top 10 miners by block. You can see right here the lowest gas price stats, the weight average gas price, and the number of total blocks right here. It's kind of high, and some miscellaneous stats right here. All right, and wow, you can see right here the highest transfer fee. Ouch! So it's around $68.53 US. Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness! Wow. So, and this is the highest gas price right now. Wow. So, all we have to do is to wait. This is the number one source right now for us to know how much gas do we need to use. Okay, Let's try to refresh again. So now that I've refreshed, oh, okay, so yep, it's still the same, but the safe flow is now at 16, so the plugging never stops. So we have no choice, guys, but to wait until it goes back to normal, okay? All right, so let's proceed with another news right here. So according to CCN right here, this is an interesting topic for me. 2014 versus 2018 Bitcoin price correction this year will likely be significantly shorter. Okay, so why is that? In 2014, I was introduced into cryptocurrency, but I was so skeptical and I have never taken it very seriously. So I just simply ignored it and just do my own thing. I ignored investing in Bitcoin and the other tokens that existed way back in 2014. And right now, all I have is regrets. Oh, I wish I could have listened to that guy. I could have invested Bitcoin way back then, or something like that. I want to take advantage of that one. And if I had invested back then, I know how you guys feel, when it comes to that. But yeah, we should move on. We should move forward. There are so many altcoins in the market right now. So these altcoins, they're giving us a chance to correct our mistakes from the past that we did not took the risk, because everything here in life has a risk, especially when it comes to investing in cryptocurrencies. But lessons I've learned. It's normal for us to see these dips and these bull runs right here. Okay, it's totally normal. So all we have to do is to move forward. Okay, so you can see right here, just to summarize this article, 2014 and 2018 is very similar, and it's a 400-day period from 2013 to 2015. Okay, but you can see right here, in 2014, it took Bitcoin 300 days to drop by more than 70%. And in 2018, it took BTC less than 200 days to decline, and it contracted correction in 2014. So it's fallen significantly faster than it did 4 years ago. Yep, it is because of several factors such as regulations, some misunderstandings, some bad news in the media, and some criticisms around her. Yeah, I know it's normal, but the thing is, when positive regulation comes into play, and we think about the long term, not just in the short term. For sure, Bitcoin will rise. And I believe that in the second half of this year, Bitcoin would turn things around. The price would eventually go up once again. And let's try to continue this one. If the price chart of Bitcoin year to date is compared with the price chart of Bitcoin from December 2013 to 2015 in January, with the chart of BTC from 2013 to 2015 compressed, the price trend of BTC seemed nearly identical to its price trend in 2014, with one key difference, which is speed. So this year, it dropped faster. It dropped faster compared to that of 2014. Okay, but when it comes to the correction period, it will not be 2014 all over again. And yep, so you can see right here the chart of Bitcoin year to date and the compressed chart of BTC of 2014 are compared as seen many below. Many similarities can be detected, and you can see the bear markets right here from December 16, 2017 to June 29, 2018 compared to December 4, 2013 to January 14 to 2015. You can see right here. So the correction was 400 days, but right now we're still at the 200 days. But the thing is, the difference is that during 2013 to 2015, it goes down slowly, but right now it goes down faster. Because the market is highly volatile, guys. All right. And yep, the shorter correction, as BitMEX CEO Arthur Hayes said during his interview with CNBC Fast Trader last June 30th, it is possible that Bitcoin bottoms out in the range of 3,000 to 5,000, experienced an 80% last correction. Yep, I know. Yep, we know about that. And given that Bitcoin has experienced the 2014 correction in almost as fast-forward fashion, it is highly likely that the correction of BTC of 2018, considering the difference in market conditions and regulatory state of the industry, ends significantly faster than the correction in 2014. Yep, this is very informative, guys. All right, so you can see right here another news update, and yep. Oh, I almost forgot this. That he believed that he believed that by the end of 2018, Bitcoin will reach even up to $50,000, but between $20,000 to $50,000. Okay, so for me, I know we're so excited about this, but the market is so unpredictable. Just like in the last event, the consensus 2018 in NYC, we did expect that there will be a rise in Bitcoin, but unfortunately, it's not. Unlike in the past 3 years, in consensus, Bitcoin's price had risen after the consensus event, but for this year, the streak ended, and there is no increase in that. Okay, so yep, he believed that it could reach 50,000 by 2018, though that's a bold statement. But for me, I think in reality, by the end of 2018, at least 20,000 or more could be realistic. Okay. And of course, this is another interesting news that I have seen right now. So if you are a fan of the Sacramento Kings, I'm not a fan of the Sacramento Kings. Not even a fan of the Golden State Warriors or the Cleveland Cavaliers. But this is something that really interests me a lot. You know why? Because they are the first team to mine Ethereum to fund tech education scholarships. Wow, this is a great purpose, And as you can see right here, they have teamed up with a crypto mining hardware firm to install mining machines in an indoor arena, with the crypto earnings funding a scholarship program. So, according to the Sacramento Bee, okay, so they have partnered with Company Mining Store for the installation of Ethereum. Wow! So, these mining machines will be at the Sacramento's Golden One Center, and all of the proceeds, will go to multi-year scholarship program Mining for Good, which the Sacramento Bee describes as a charity for tech education and workforce development in Sacramento. So they are so generous with this, guys. Wow, their purpose is to become generous. Wow, kudos to you. I salute you, Sacramento Kings, for doing this. For doing this so generously. But hey, since they are the first in the history, what about the Golden State Warriors? What about the Cleveland Cavaliers? What about the Boston Celtics, the Houston Rockets, the Chicago Bulls, or even the worst teams on the planet, like the Phoenix Suns? Oh, sorry for saying the worst. But you guys have a great draft pick, But the thing is, the Phoenix was the worst team in last season, No, I'm sorry for the word, but I believe that they could be legit contenders in the future, because of their draft pick. But anyway, let's cut to the chase. I think those other 29 teams will be following suit very shortly. Very shortly, after the Sacramento Kings made their first move. So this is very interesting. And going back to this, the principal owner of the Sacramento Kings said that the mining scholarship program aims to inspire the next generation of tinkerers and thinkers to create change in their own community and around the globe. Okay, and he's calling, this Ethereum mining thing as innovative. Opportunity begins when technology allows the world to find innovative solutions to complex problems. And for charitable causes, has been tried out around the world. In February, UNICEF Australia asked PC gamers to mine Ethereum in their downtime as a donation to the Syrian children, and Ethereum co-founder Vitaly Buterin donated $2.4 million in Ethereum to fund anti-aging research. And of course, the Sacramento Kings notes that the Kings began accepting Bitcoin for their team store in 2014 after partnering with BitPay. Wow. So until now, Sacramento is the only team who are accepting Bitcoin. What about the other 29 teams? Yeah, I know Golden State, you have been a champion, with Kevin Durant, so on. But wow, think about this. Think about this, guys. Calling all the NBA teams out there. If massive adoption occurs, so for sure, wow, there's no doubt that the price will rise to the sky. As these NBA teams, are not just the NBA, but in other leagues as well. Wow, so this is a good sign, guys. This is a good sign when it comes to charity events. So Sacramento Kings are making their first move. So wow, I salute you guys. Okay, so I hope you all like what I have shared right now. So all I can say is thank you very much for taking your time to watch my crypto news volume 2. Wow, so for me this is an interesting this is very interesting for us right now. So we are now in the second half of 2018. So for me, I think this is going to be interesting. So I'm so excited for the future of cryptocurrency, and also, yeah, I know that we are on a bearish run right now, but the thing is, we should always think of the long-term investment, not just in the short term. If you're a day trader, yep, I know how it feels, but I know that we always have to apply the principle of Warren Buffett, which is a buy low, sell high, no matter what. Okay. So, anyways, once again, if you think that this video is helpful for you in any way, don't hesitate to share this to your crypto friends out there. Okay, so I hope this video of mine is very informative to you. I hope it helps you a lot, increasing your belief in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies out there, And guys, once again, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can stay updated with my latest videos about cryptocurrency, okay? So once again, my name is Jeff, also known as Crypto Nomad, and I'm signing off. Bye-bye.